Now it is time to talk about the parts of your body that are inside, the parts you cannot see. Feel your fingers, feel your toes, grab your elbow, pinch your nose, touch your ankle, tap your knees, give your chin a little squeeze. You'll feel something hard inside, and it cannot be denied. What you feel seems hard as stone, and it's something called the bone. Oh, there are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Yes, bones, 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 more than just a few. So many you can't count them, amazing, but it's true. There are bones, 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 bones inside of you. There are bones inside your hand, in your feet to help you stand, in your elbow and your heel, lots of lovely bones to feel. Though your bones are hard to see, still you have them just like me. They are not outside but in, yes, they're underneath your skin. Yes, there are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Bones, 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 more than just a few. So many you can't count them, amazing, but it's true. There are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Now, when you put all those bones together, you may come up with something we call a skeleton. Remember that word, it's one of my favorites. And now, boys and girls, I will tell you what happens if you don't have any bones. Haha! If you had no bones at all, then you couldn't run or crawl, and you couldn't stand up straight or eat dinner off your plate. Without bones, we'd all fall down, just like puddles on the ground, just like melted ice cream cones if we didn't have our bones. Yes, there are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Bones, 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 more than just a few. So many you can't count them, amazing, but it's true. There are bones, 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 bones inside of you. And now the most fun of all. I will count all the bones I can think of. The toe bone, that's 1. The heel bone is 2, ankle bone 3, shin bone 4, knee bone 5, hip bone 6, rib bones, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I love counting bones. Besides